Yeah, I can see like.
I just need video of the drummer.